is the role of reflective practice in teacher professional development? Is it letter A? Reflective practice encourages teachers to simplify, follow the curriculum without modification. Pag sinabi natin follow without modification, parang passive ka lang, no? Kung ano yung binigay sa atin, yun lang din yung gagawin natin. Letter B po, reflective practice help teachers critically analyze their teaching methods and outcomes, leading to continuous improvement. Ito naman po yung statement, parang inilalarawan niya dito na dapat si teacher before niya i-employ yung strategy na yon, yung methods na yon, pinag-aralan muna niyang mabuti. While letter C naman po, sinasabi dito na yung concern lang po is about the evaluation doon sa performance ng students. Letter D naman po, reflective practice only happens after formal evaluations from administrators. So meaning walang consistency. So the best answer here is no other than 45. That is letter. Okay, letter B po ang tumpak na choice.